Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 benefits of intermittent fasting. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, now the first benefit of intermittent fasting is that it reduces your insulin resistance, which can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Now, insulin is a hormone that's created by the pancreas, which is a gland that's located behind the stomach. And pretty much insulin just uses that glucose as energy for your body. So quick example of how insulin works is whenever you're eating food, whether it be fruits or vegetables or even a slice of pizza, right? Those carbohydrates are broken down in your digestive tract into glucose. Then that glucose is absorbed into your bloodstream through the lining of the small intestine. And then once that glucose gets into your bloodstream, that's when insulin actually signals cells to use that energy or to use that sugar as energy. So pretty much, insulin, just helps your body use the food that you eat for energy, specifically coming from carbohydrates. So that's going to be the first benefit of intermittent fasting. All right, now the second benefit of intermittent fasting is that it reduces inflammation in the body. Now, inflammation can be good, and inflammation is actually released by your immune system to help fight infections, diseases, and injuries. But chronic inflammation, inflammation over a long period of time in the body, when you're not fighting those things, inflammation can actually attack your healthy tissue, such as your arteries, joints, and organs. And over a long period of time of not treating this, eventually, there will be chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and cancers and other, conditions. So, inflammation in the body can be good when there's infections and your white blood cells going to attack those foreign invaders. But when there's nothing going on with you, you just have a high inflammation in the body, whether that be from diet, your lifestyle, are you exercising and things like that. Can lead to many diseases and problems that you do not want to have. All right, now the third benefit of intermittent fasting is that it helps with cellular repair and cellular rejuvenation. So pretty much when we fast or when we are in a fasted state, the cells in our body actually initiate a cellular waste removal process called autophagy. Now, autophagy metabolizes broken and dysfunctional proteins inside the cells that build up over time, and this can actually help with reducing your chance of getting Alzheimer's disease and actually cancer as well. So, when you're in a fasted state, you get actually your body actually repairs its cells, which is pretty cool, and it's another great benefit of intermittent fasting. All right, now the fourth benefit of intermittent fasting is that there are brain health benefits. Yes, there are benefits for your brain. So there's actually been several studies done on mice and rats that have shown from intermittent fasting that they may increase the growth of new nerve cells, which could possibly help with better brain functioning. Also, when you are fasting, there are increased levels of a brain hormone called BDNF, which pretty much stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And when you are deficient, right, when you are deficient in this brain hormone, this can cause depression and various other brain problems. Intermittent fasting can help with brain benefits. All right, now the fifth and final benefit of intermittent fasting is actually going to be weight loss. This is probably one of the main benefits or the main reason why people actually do intermittent fasting is because they actually want to lose weight or lose fat or whatever the case may be. And intermittent fasting is very effective at doing that. Unlike other diets where you have to cancel out all your carbs or maybe all animal products, you can still eat the foods you want. You just restrict your eating window, so you can eat bigger meals without gaining weight, which is pretty cool. And intermittent fasting for me personally helped me lose 35 pounds. So if you want to check out my transformation video, actually we'll link it into one of these corners above, so you can go ahead and check it out if you need like motivation for 2022 coming up or whatnot. But that's actually going to be it for today's video. Those are my top 5 benefits of intermittent fasting and why I actually did it. Although this is not all the benefits of intermittent fasting, there's many more benefits, but for me, these are the top 5 reasons why I think intermittent fasting can help and be beneficial for other people. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment any questions, comments, or concerns that you might have. And if you made it this far, subscribe to the channel. I will be putting up more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.